259,000 cash. So, partners sila ng Escalona family. And then they are qualified to join us on Hong Kong.
Ayun, see you there, you know.
Nakakatuwa nga yung sharing niya kanina na pag networking talaga, negative siya. And sabi niya, gusto niya, syempre, yung business, sabi niya, hindi naman joke yung kalaki nila. Kaya lang, mga matagal na rin kayo kakilala ni Tita Claire.
Mga friends ko rin ng mga bata ko.
Mga bata.
But you have experience in networking before?
Kami ba? No, friends lang po talaga ako na rin.
So, you're a member of FERN. It's a FERN C.
Status sila ng Marikina. Mami ni RJ siya. Escalona.
Okay. Kasi nakita mo ang mom.
Amiga po.
Okay. So, this your mom? Sister?
Si Camille po.
Okay. And the
Friends.
others
Si
are?
Tita Nelly po. Ali,
Mga best friends.
kamag-anak
Si
po namin.
tita, kamag-anak.
Yes.
Okay.
Si Tita Josie.
Okay.
Best friend po silang dalawa.
Okay.
Ito po si Jan. Business partner din po natin.
Oo.
Yung mother po niya, engineer for sa DPWH.
Okay.
Sis.
So, are they related to you also? Okay, so all the four are relatives in one? Relatives ba? Hindi.
Hindi po.
Magkaka-religion po kami.
Okay.
Pero hindi magkamatan.
Sabi niya tita.
Ito
So,
po.
you're just
Siya po.
tita. You're really related to them.
Sila.
And your friends. Okay. So, how about the others? Your experience in networking? No? Okay. How about you? Wala rin. Okay.
Siya lang na apply ng DPWS cooperative with 300 coming na downline kasi ginawang salary reduction. Kung nag-present ako sa kami ni RJ sa regional
Region 4.
Region 4. Ni-refer ng mami niya pero ibang region yung mami. Ang gusto mga director. So si partner Josie naman yung sa 21 premiums nung nakita niya yung kitaan and then yung nagkataon na matatapos yung promo natin on October 8.
Yeah.
Taga Marikina rin, meron. Ngayon, may event sila sa Marikina ng October 6, mga hundreds ang a-attend sa IFTP nila. So, tulong-tulong kami. Bali, ako siguro more on closing and inspirational. Tapos, nagawa nilang mapuno yung Jollibee, naka-ready na. Tapos na-share din kay Miss Josie. Tapos sabi niya, ayoko kasi magbebenta-benta. Yun yung naririnig ko sa kanya. Pero makulit, nung nakita niya na in-invite ko kasi na inimbitahan ako ni Miss Janet Torres to share para sa mga people niya doon. So nung nag-meeting sila ron for that investment, na sabi niya, yung $500,000, kaya lang sinabi naman ni Miss ni Tita Cleo, sabi niya about yung products, yung availability na gano'n. Ngayon, nung nagpaliwanag lahat and everything, nag-go siya. So, pinul niya ngayon yung 496,000. Nagbayad nung Friday, tapos nakagawa na pa. So, help din ni Miss Essie ng ating lady. Nakakuha kami ng 5 premiums. And ako naman kasi may revolving premium package ako kasi di ba first in, first out ko. So, ang ginagawa ko, yung mga nasa they wanted na maibenta na yung product, binibigay ko sa kanila. Tapos yung susunod na magmamature sa akin, nasa IAR, kinukuha ko. So may 10 premiums. And ang nakakatuwa sa kanya, gusto niyang tulungan kasi yung pamangkin niya. Actually, business woman siya. Kaya lang, sabi niya, ang ganda pala rin ng kitaan talaga sa networking. Hindi sa side natin, nakita niya yung DXN, na nag-8,000 a month. Sabi niya, it's still a money. It's still an extra income na pang
What's
utility.
the other business that you're really into? Ano yung negosyo?
Food business.
What kind? Do you have a restaurant? Or okay.
San Pedro Laguna.
Okay. It's a full service restaurant. How long na yung restaurant nito?
8 years.
8 years. And how many outlets do you have? Just the one or you have a lot of branches?
One also in Buendia.
Okay, so you have.
Buendia.
I think the main difference between a traditional business like a restaurant and the networking business is, you know, kailangan ikaw ang muhunan to start it, tapos yung mga tao mo, babandayan mo, and you know, unless you have people you trust, kailangan nandun ka magkantay or iikot ka. That's the difference, no? Parang talagang yung physical presence mo necessary, no? As opposed to networking, once you already have partners working with you, not for you, no, working with you, hindi mo sila kailangan bantayan, no? And everything that they do, no, you get a benefit from what they are doing. And the most successful companies and the most successful networkers, they have members all over, not just in the Philippines, but all over the world. No? And yun yung goal natin. No? Kung ano yung success na nagawa natin sa Fern before, with FernC and all the other Fern products, we want to do also with iFern. But the difference ngayon is we will have a global reach, no? Once we have fully launched the company. Right now, we're still in soft launching mode. No? And sa soft launching pa lang, we have overwhelmed ourselves already kasi yung in-expect namin na mabebenta in 3 months, in 1 month na ubos. No, we were able to, we sold out the first 3 months product in 1 month. And yung lead time for us to import the product is between 3 to 6 months. No, ibig sabihin, the moment we place an order, 6 months saka dadating sa Pilipinas or 6 months bago dadating sa bodega namin. And we have moved heaven and earth. No? Instead of shipping it by sea, we're shipping it now by air. No? Aeroplano na dumadating yung mga raw materials and mga product components natin. Na biro nga namin with the network leaders. Buti pa yung mga produkto nakasakay ng aeroplano from Switzerland to Pilipinas. No? Kayong masakyan nyo lang kung hindi barko, Cebu Pacific to the island in the Philippines. No? Yung produkto at least nakasakay na from Switzerland to the Philippines. So that's a joke. But because of us implementing this, we're able to cut the lead time from 3 to 6 months to between 3 months to 3 months to 6 weeks. No, so napaikli na natin yun. But still, meron pa rin tayong concern on the product delay. And it's people like you, no, like our leaders who trust in the company, no, because of the track record that we have. No, 9 years na rin nasa industriya ng networking yung firm. And of course, bago pa lang yung iFirm. No, but still, the credibility, the stability that we have established over the 9 years is the reason why kahit na delayed yung product, kahit na hindi pa dumadating yung product, people like you are willing to invest because they see a company that is very stable and very credible. And may ka-text ako kaninang umaga, no, sabi niya, sir, thank you, yung mga product namin dumating na, no, yung mga ibang downline ko dumating na rin, pero meron pa akong 3 downline, hindi pa dumadating yung product nila, hinihintay pa namin. Sabi ko, good things come to those who wait. No, sa panagal-tagal nung pagne-negosyo natin together, hindi naman kami magpapakasira dahil sa 3 premium package, di ba? Kumbaga, if you're willing to wait, then, when the products get there, they can start doing their business. No, but, nasa ano yun eh, nasa relationship niyo sa mga tao na yun. No? When you made this decision to invest in our business in a big way, no, syempre dapat may balikan sa inyo in the sense na when you get people who are like yourselves, no, that are willing to commit to an idea, willing to commit to an opportunity, na kailangan mauna kayo. Kasi meron ako mga nakausap when I was in Cebu, 2 weeks ago for the wedding of Richard Lim. Nandun yung G-Cell core group, nandun yung 5-star core group, nandun, then all together celebrating the wedding of Richard Lim, our other 001. Sabi namin, nasa sa inyo yun. Kung gusto nyo hintayin yung produkto, saan kayo magnegosyo, pwede. Kung, di ba, nasa sa inyo yun eh, di ba, hintayin ninyo. Pag lahat ng tao nakaposisyon na, saka kayo magnegosyo, lahat na makausapin mo, ay, sorry, pare, last month nag-member na ako. No? Sorry, partner, 2 months ago nag-member na ako. Di ba? Option mo yun. No? Pero kung ikaw, nakikita mo naman na pwedeng pagkatiwalaan yung firm, no? Then all you have to do is explain. Pag sinabi mo na sa tao, pare, pag nag-member ka, mga 1 month, 6 weeks bago dadating yung produkto kasi nga sobrang lakas yung benta. Pag pumayag siya, di okay, mag-sign up siya kasi wala namang kinalaman yung pagtanggap mo ng produkto saka doon sa pagtanggap mo ng commission mo. No? The commission, the pay-in, and the commission system is working independently of the product delivery system. Kahit di pa dumating yung produkto, pwede na pumasok yung mga kita mo, pwede na pumasok yung mga commission mo. No? So, a lot of our leaders are telling us na, ay sir, walang problema kasi sinabi naman namin soft launching pa lang eh. Kung gusto nilang mauna, sumali sila. Ay nilang mauna, maghintay sila. Diba? So right now, I think we are looking for people who are more ambitious, people who are really business people kasi all business people all entrepreneurs are risk takers. Kung hindi ka risk taker, mag-empleyado ka. Di ba? Magtrabaho ka, hindi ka magtrabaho, 15-30, dadating ang sweldo mo. Malakas man ang benta, mahina man ang benta ng kumpanya, pag dumating ng kinsenas katapusan, makukuha mo yung sweldo mo. No, but for entrepreneurs, for business people, when you put up your restaurant, it was a risk. No, siguro you have a good recipe, you have a good idea na pwedeng magtayo ng restaurant dito, walang mga kalaban, or kaya ko tapatan yung restaurant na tatabihan ko, you took a risk. Wala namang garansya na pag nagbukas ka ng restaurant, may kakain. Diba? Wala namang garansya na pagpasok nila, pagka sila kumain, magbabayad sila.
Bukas
May
sa
1, 2,
plato.
3, 1, 2, 3, diba? Pwede pagpasok kumain, ay sarap ng pagkain, babay. Diba? So all business people, all entrepreneurs, and all top network leaders, they're risk takers. No, but ang difference lang, when you take a risk with us, you're taking a risk on a 9-year-old company, and they're taking a risk. The only risk you're actually taking is the delayed shipment of products because the demand is so strong. That's the only risk. So kung ang kausap mo kaliwaan, sige, usap tayo ulit after 1.5 months. Pag nandyan na yung mga produkto, saka tayo mag-usap. Pero yung mga gustong mauna, gustong pumusisyon, gustong makakita ng magandang opportunity, then these are the people we want. The same, pareho lang yan dun sa If I will relate it to tumingin tayo lahat ngayon sa bintana natin ngayon, Ang daming mga tinatayo na building. You look out there, May mga crane dito, may 2 crane dito, dyan may crane dyan, All of these buildings tinatayo pa lang. Wala pang napapasok na unang pundasyon dyan. Dami na nabenta na unit. Di pa natatayo yung building, di ba? Pre-selling, nabenta na yun kung yung Twin Tower nga, hindi pa natatayo tong tower na to, sold out na. The moment na may tayo to, etong pangalawa, hindi pa na-umpisa, sold out na rin siya. Ano yung binibili ng mga tao? Hangin. Hangin yung binibili mo, hanggang hindi matayuan yung hangin yung binayaran mo Bumili ako ng unit on the 50th floor. Pero nasa second floor pa lang yung building, di ba? 50th floor yung binili ko. Pagdating ng araw, meron akong unit doon sa taas. Nasaan na siya? Nandito pa lang. It's the same. Right now, the situation here is the same. Why are people buying? Because they trust the developer. Kasi Ayala siya, kasi SM siya, kasi Co-op Group, Shangri-La Group. Kasi nagtitiwala sila kasi may credibility. So why are people paying us right now? Because we have the credibility. But dadating ba? Matatapos ba? Yes, matatapos. Kasi yun yung promise And kung gusto mo ng patagalan na business na pang matagalan, talagang you need to, how do you say, you need to make good on your promise. And I think in the past 9 years, we have made good on our promise. Yun naman yung pwede namin sabihin sa inyo, na hindi naman kami sumisira sa pangako. Pag sinabi namin gagawin namin. But ginusto ba natin na medyo delayed yung product? Hindi naman natin ginusto yan. Pero yun yung binigay na sitwasyon para sa atin. And yun yung when we talk to leaders na galing ng mga ibang kumpanya na naglilipatan dito, buong grupo yung dinadala. I'm very open with them. Sabi ko, we have great opportunity here, but we are not a perfect company kasi wala naman tao na perfecto. Sabi ko, ang situation sa amin ngayon, delayed yung produkto. Sagot natin na sa akin, galing itong mga ibang kumpanya, hindi sila firm members, hindi sila nagbebenta ng firm G. They always say the same thing, sir, galing kami sa networking company na iba, matagal na kami sa networking. Mas mabuti yung nauubusan ng stock kaysa sobrang raming stock, walang bumibili. Kasi nanggaling na kami dun sa kumpanya na sobrang raming stock, walang bumibili. Gusto naman namin yung nauubusan ng stock kasi sobrang lakas yung benta. So they don't mind. Sabi niya, sir, as long as nakapagbayad kami, nakukuha namin yung commission namin, then we're okay. We're willing to wait for the product. When we explain to our prospects or our leaders or our downlines in the companies that we come from, sali na kayo kasi mabuti na naubusan ng product kaysa maubusan ka na SDAT. Baka gusto mo mag-sign up, ayaw na tumanggap ng member, mas lalong delikado. Diba? Buti pwede pa tayo pumasok ngayon, diba? Hindi baling delete
Sa libo na yung millionaire namin, tapos muna kami, wala ka lang slot.
So, do you have any questions that I can answer for you at this point?
Sagot na po. Sagot na.
I think for people like you who made a big investment, the important next step is to talk to people also who are like-minded like you, that are willing to invest also, that are willing to join in this big opportunity. Kasi I always tell people, hindi kami bangko, no? At least not yet. Na yung binayad ninyo sa amin, walang interest yun. No? Kailangan may pumasok under sa inyo para umpisa kayong kumita. You need to share this idea, you need to share the excitement, no? Kung bakit ka pumasok. Kasi when you talk to people who are your close friends, no? When you teach them to top their hot market list, pag kinausap mo sila, ba't ako sasali dyan? Eh, napakagandang opportunity. Magkano bang in-invest mo? Kahit kalahating million in-invest ko. Mag-invest ka kahit na 50,000, kahit na 70,000. No? Eh ako, sobrang bilib ko nga, kalahating million ng sariling pera ko, pinasok ko dito. That already gives a strong signal to the people you're talking to na hindi biro yung opportunity na pinasok nyo. Na napakalaki ng potential na iniisip niyo. That's why you're willing to invest so much. Diba? Sabihin mo, kakapasok ko pa lang ng pera, sipin mo, next month, pupunta na kami ng Hong Kong, libre diba? Ganun pabilis. Diba? So, you need to find these like-minded people, no? I'm sure within the next few days, hanggang next week Monday, yung iFly natin, no? That's the last day, there will be no more extensions, no? Many people umaawit na sa aming extension, sama, sorry, wala na extension. No? Kasi kailangan maikasa natin kung sino yung pasok, kasi November na yung lipad eh. No, pag in-extend na naman namin yun, magkakagulo-gulo lang tayo sa ticket eh. No, yung mga last minute, magpapalit ng pangalan or whatever, or yung passport, di pa lumalabas. No? Maraming ganun, last minute, nagre-renew ng passport. No?
Tinamaan po,
Last
tinamaan.
minute, nilipad na, tapos sabihin yung passport, oops, pa-expire na pala, 5 months na lang pala yung validity ng passport, di ba? So, if you want to be part of it, you need to make sure that your papers are in order. No? So, it's not too late, pwede pang humabol doon. You only need, at 5,500, that's only 11. No? Pag maka 11 premium, no? If you're able to get 12 premium, if you get 12 premium, then kasama na sa iFly. Ganun lang kasimple. It's not difficult. It's not difficult, especially when people are getting yung mga triple premium, ganun, sandali lang yun. Diba? So, you know, I think that's about it. If there's one thing different with our company compared to other companies, I think is that we are recognized by the business world. No, yung mga ganyan, yung mga lumalabas sa dyaryo. No, these things are, I think, an example of our credibility when it comes to the industry. Na hindi lang networking companies or networking industry kumikilala sa atin. The business world, no, yung mga iba-ibang negosyo sa labas, kinikilala tayo. I think the most recent award that we are open to is the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award. No, they contacted me and told me that I'm a finalist already. On October 18, we will know. No, para sa akin kasi, it's enough to be a finalist kasi yung previous winners nun, puro mga siyempre 60 years old, 70 years old. Masyado pa yata akong bata para manalo dun.
Exactly, sinabi kanina ni
Pwede
Miss
na-
Jo.
pwede
Ang
na
bata
ako-
naman niya.
Pwede na akong ma-recognize, pwede na yan. No? Finalist is already enough kasi.
Sabi niya
Makalaban
kanina
natin, puro may edad.
sa releasing, sabi ang bata ng presidente, sabi ko. Tapos naglulukuhan kami kanina ng tour. Na-advance dito kami, nag-meeting kayo doon. Hindi niya alam na conference yun. So, mayroon siyang curtain. Eh, makulit si Miss Jo, sabi niya, curtain, pagtingin see-through na
This one?
Yeah,
Yes.
kanina makita kami,
Yung color
tinutour.
kasi ng wall eh.
Ginanon niya, sabi ko, di ka lumusot, ayan ang presidente. Takbo pa labas. Eh, that's why,
Siya pala yun.
yung shinare mo, President, like, yung pre-selling, kasi, share ko lang yung resort word. Si Joe, sabi niya, ang nakita niya nga rin is yung grupo and yung relation with the Escalona family. And yun, yung ibang mga bagay na gusto niya lang na ma-assure or ma-clarify, yun, medyo klinaro ko lang sa kanya. Kasi sabi ko, we're not on the, yung papasok tayo to compromise. Kasi at the end of the day, yun yung sinasabi niya, ayaw niya, one time, big time. Isang beses, malaki kita, at the end of the day, sisibangot, and then mapuputol yung relasyon. Kasi sabi niya nga is, I just wanted na makita lang yung result. Sabi ko, okay, maybe on the October 5th or 12th, siya yung sa kanya namin binibigay yung bola eh. At the end of the day, hindi niya sisisihin si RJ. Kasi there's a system. Ipa-plug in mo na lang. Sabi ko nga, like ako, experience ko naman, yun ang gusto ko sinabi ng presidente natin, it's not yung word na perfect. May perfectong pangalan, pero being negosyante, walang perfecto. So, nung sinabi ko sa kanya, gusto mo on the 5th or the 12th, pero may nakakasana siyang hotkeys. Pero nung una sabi, ayoko magtitinda, wala akong dati, hindi ako magagamit. That was Friday. When I heard from Josie, nasa Milky Way. Ngayon, ang nakakatuwa sa kanya, sinare niya sa akin mga investment niyang condos na naka-stack. Like Resort World, dalawa, tapos hindi ko nga alam sabi niya. Siyempre, yung credibility, circle of influence, what we call it in networking. Siyempre, sa'yo makikinig, Tita Nelly. True naman sa credibility ni Tita, kaya kayo sumama ng Escalona, no? At ka-church pa sa Kingdom sa Jehovah. So yun na yung naging factor. Tapos sabi niya, user ako ng Fern. Naniniwala ako sa Fern. Yun yung narinig ko sa kanya na maganda. Kaya kung doon pa lang, tapos na yung usapan. Fern to para sa kanya. Kaya lang, sabi ko, expertise para sa ganitong investment o kitaan, kung makikinig po kayo and magpapa-unlearn, willing kayo i-guide namin, ituturo na namin yung mga bagay na effective at tama. Hindi yung mga hindi pa namin alam. Kasi syempre may mga mali rin akong naging decision before sa networking. Sabi ko nga, this is not my first time. So, mas mabilis yung sistema. Kaya sabi niya, sige, ganyan na. Financial consultant ko, si Art, paglabas ng check ko, sasabihin ko, ito, kalating nila, ito nakita ko. So, lahat, pati yung condo niya na, yung binili, hanggang ngayon, hindi niya naman natitiran. Yung condo niya tinitiran, iba yun. Iba yung pre-selling sa Resort World na sabi niya, 40,000 yata monthly, dalawang kinuha niya. Because the name, because of the promises. So talagang risk taker, talagang business woman. Pero
Yung when it comes to, thank you for patronizing, Fernsy. Tignan nyo lang itong 2 libro sa lamesa ko. Tignan nyo yung isa ascorbic acid yung nakasulat. Itong isa sodium ascorbate.
Ano yan, Percy?
Kumbaga, over the years at how we have changed. When we started to register yung Fernsy as a super brand, ascorbic acid pala yung pinapayagan ng Food and Drug Administration ng Pilipinas. Dati BFAD pa ang pangalan lang, yung FDA na. BFAD pa dati. Sabi nila, ang ascorbic acid ang
Isa lang pala yan.
generic name ng vitamin C. Sabi namin hindi pwede kasi ang laman ng vitamin C namin hindi ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate. Sabi niya kung gusto mong hintayin na sodium ascorbate yung product, yung generic name mo, maghintay ka. Walang lalabas na certification kasi wala sa batas yung hinihingi ninyo. Sabi niya maghanap kayo ng mga senador, congressman na magbabago ng batas para mangyari itong sodium ascorbate. So tinanggap muna namin yung ascorbic acid na generic name na at the start when we were doing this business, pinagtatawanan yung mga members namin na mga naging millionaire na ngayon kasi sinasabi nila na paano naging non-acidic, ascorbic acid yung nakasulat. Linoloko mo yata ako, di ba? Diba? Parang linoloko mo ako, pinaglalagtakan mo na non-acidic kasi nakasulat sa kahon mo ascorbic acid. So, anong kala mo sa hindi marunong magbasa? No? Ganon, no? So, haba ng explanation nila, no? Para masabi na sodium ascorbate talaga yan. Pero yung sa BFAD, ganyan ang batas, ganon.
generic name.
So, we were able to conquer the vitamin C world like that, na kailangan nating sumunod kung ano man yung batas, no? Pero ito, nagpapatunay na nahanap namin yung congressman at senador na tutulong sa atin. Kaya naging sodium ascorbate siya. No? So, because talaga napabago namin yung batas. No? So, ganun talaga eh. When you're a risk taker, when ikaw ang nauuna, ikaw ang unang babangga sa mga problema talaga. And kaming unang bumangga sa problema na ayos namin. Kaya ngayon, alamin na sumunod. No? Ano na sila? 39 na sila. Gaya-gaya sa Fernsy. No? Na sodium ascorbate. No? Pero tayo yung nauna. No? We were the first. We were able to pave the road. And now they're copying. Right now in iFern is the same. Tayo yung una na gumawa ng kumpanya na katulad ng iFern na makikipaglaban tayo sa ibang bansa. Meron tayong unique na marketing plan na kakaiba. May retirement benefit para sa mga networkers na magpupursige. I'm sure, down the line, in a few months from now, especially next year, maraming gagaya na ang marketing plan namin pareho sa iFern. But the question is, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, yung $1 million, kaya ba nila bayaran? Maybe sabihin nila kaya, pero ang tanong, nandun pa ba sila after 5 to 10 years? Bukas pa ba yung kumpanya? Kasi That's one thing eh. Para magpa-promise ka ng something into the future, you better make sure that when that future comes, nandyan ka pa rin. And that's something we're able to prove, no? Because of our 9 years in business. Next year nga, 10th anniversary na natin, no? Actually, in 18 days is already our 9th anniversary. October 18 is our 9th anniversary. No? And next year, we're going to celebrate our 10th. And we're very excited for the 10th anniversary. Kaya nga-launch natin yung iFern para by the time the 10th anniversary comes along, parang sobrang bongga na yung i-celebrate natin kasi we will be really ready to go out and conquer the world. Now, kumbaga right now nasa soft launching tayo, pinaghahanda natin yung grand launching natin. So, if there are no questions, then yes.
Kailan daw po yung grand launching?
We will have another launch in February. February is we're going to target to celebrate, to welcome the Chinese New Year together with mga new information and new updates about iFern, no, na lalo mapaganda yung negosyo nila. Step by step, no? Parang sa Pilipinas pa lang, so far in the few months, no, since we launched, maganda na yung nangyayari, no? So we expect more great things to happen, no, before the next launch in February.
Partner Josie, partner, you have 4 months to go on out to the States on February.
Sir, one small question lang regarding ho sa product natin. Kasi meron kaming naging partner na naging meticuloso sa product na nakita niya yung DFAD, wala pang product yung
FDA.
So, hindi ko alam kasi ang isasagot.
Yung kaya nga right now, the reason you're only allowed to sell through membership kasi kumbaga yung produkto natin within the membership daw. No, we're not yet selling it to the general public.
Oh.
Kaya nga wala pa kayong repeat order din.
Opo.
Diba? Because sa membership is for members only. And ang law kasi, ang batas natin kasi, basta nakapag-submit ka na nung application mo for the product registration, pwede ka na magbenta. Hindi ka na pwede mag-advertise sa TV, radio, newspaper, no, and all of that. But rest assured that this paperworks are in progress. No? Wala naman tayong binebenta na produkto na nakakasama sa katawan ng tao. All of our products are coming from Switzerland, coming from
operate.
Of course,
Yun
there's a
yung,
license to
kasi hindi
operate.
mo sa akin tinanong yan, Tita Cleo, by the way, you directly asked the President, as I always inform the people in regards with the FDA, like nga sa Pfizer, di ba, nasagot ko sila directly. As a leader, I explain, bukod sa we're believed to the company, second, yung sinabi nga ng Presidente, hindi naman nakakasama. Third, dumadaan po siya sa process ng talagang first, license to operate. Yun yung ibig sabihin, yung first na sa legal, kailangan i-register mo para lang mag-operate. So, ngayon, it will take like how many months, no? Pwede rin naman
Sorry.
Puro apelyo.
Okay, so if there are no more questions, thank you for your time.
Picture
Yeah,
na.
sure.